Hey everyone, I just bought a MPC drum machine on Facebook Marketplace. This is my first song I have produced. Let me know what you think. I'm just really sick of YouTube flagging some of the iMovie songs as copyright, so this is going to be my first attempt on making my own music. And there you have it. That's my first song I created. And I have to say, I had a blast. There's a lot of layers, like little triple hi-hats. And I never played bass before. I mean, look at this video here. Does anyone know how to play bass? Because I do not. Well, let me know what you guys think of the song. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, and God bless.